Hey everyone, here's the cast for an unusual slide pendant we made for a client in Texas. Currently the pendant is upside down as the button is attached to the thickest part of the piece, but other than the hidden bell, the pendant is symmetrical and looks the same in either orientation. The customer had a pair of earrings they wanted to turn into a pendant, but wanted the earrings to remain intact. So the idea is that each earring post will be pushed through the small opening in the pads and then soldered on. Once in place, the pendant should look just like the customer's sketch and sample images they were basing the design off of. Their customer did not ship the earrings to us, but stated they were roughly the size of a US nickel. It's simple in its design, but overall a pretty unique piece. For the majority of the items we make, it's easy to picture the final product, but this is a new one for us, and curious how everything will come together. However, our client will be finishing the pendant, and if they send us photos, I'll update our social pages. If you're looking to have a custom piece of jewelry design, feel free to reach out to us. We can make just about anything you can imagine, and as always, thanks for watching.